Hello everybody, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna go ahead and edit a funeral thank you card, but first I'm gonna go ahead and mention what you cannot change on this template. You cannot change the size and orientation of the template, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. Let me go ahead and point out the artwork for you. It's these two flowers here. That's the only thing you cannot change. Everything else on this template you can change. You can change the color of the background. You can change the text, font, the size, the color, and that would go for all the text that you see here. And the only thing you would need to change here would be just the name and the date. You have the Spanish template below and the back of the card for both the Spanish and the English card. If you have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching this video, and you guys have a wonderful day.